Jesu Kristo. Thandwa zami, ngifisa sithi ukubamba kancane isifundo sokuqala esithathwe encwadini yamakhosi. Uma ubhala kahle encwadini yamakhosi usixoxela indaba kaEliya uma ekhuphukele ehlane, uma esefika ohlane khona isihlahla phahlala ngaphansi kwaso, ebese yakhuleka athi, Nkosi, salusuthatha umphefumulo womuntu wami ngokuba angenzanga kahle ngifana nobaba mkhulu. Mhlawumbe inkonzo engifisa ukuhlala kuyona, ngifuna ukuhlala kule nkonzo uma uEliya esuka kubantu, uma uEliya ebhaqa, uma uEliya ebaleka, uma uEliya elinda ukuba kuhwalale, uma uEliya elinda ukuba abantu bangamboni, uma uEliya elinda ithuba encane ebesethi sengifuna ukubaleka. Khona inkonzo efikayo ngenye imini la umele khona ukuthi bengifuna bangangiboni. Abantu abaziyo abadala, uma ikhehle elidala noma isalukwazi esidala masesoshona, uma sinani endlini, umuzi umuntu omdala eyalusa, uma esembhedeni noma ehleli phansi esihlalweni, umuzi wethi, mntanami, awukungisusela, awukungidlalela uphansi khona ngizolala phansi. Bese uyambuza kwenze njani, ebesethi umuntu omdala, hayi safuna ukulula amathambo, athi angahlala phansi. Muzi umuntu omdala ethi awungikhelela amanzi, mawusaye ekhishini uyobuyiselele. Khona inkonzo uNkulunkulu ayenzayo, uma esezomthatha umuntu, uma esezomsusa umuntu, masezomsasa amlethekuyena, khona izinto abantu engamele bayibone. Hayi ngithinta inkonzo kaEliya, Eliya obhala kahle ukhuphukele entabeni, obhala kahle uthi uyehlale, kodwa mina bengifuna ukuyibuka ngenye indlela. Thina nangu Eliya exakwe isimo sempilo, nangu Eliya eduze ebumnyameni, nangu Eliya exakwa zinkinga zomhlaba, nangu Eliya exakwa izinto zomshado, nangu Eliya esethukwa abantu bakhe, nangu Eliya esethi, Nkosi, ngisaphilelani? Hayi thandwa zami, ayikho into ebuhlungu emhlabeni than to struggle with depression. Inkinga yama-mental illnesses, inkinga yo-depression no-anxiety, asikwazi ngesiZulu. Ingakho umuntu omnyama angaba kwi-depression azaphume angazange ukuthi ube kwi-depression. Bezwe abantu bethi usibani bani unamamuzi, kubezwe abantu bethi usibani bani akafuni ukuhlala nathi, kubezwe abantu bethi usibani bani uyayitshela, kubezwe abantu bethi usibani bani avezenza ngcono, kanti awumazi ukuthi usibani bani ubulawa yi-depression. Yangithusa le njalo ukuthi uEliya unqabela ukuba abalekele entabeni, uEliya unqabela ukuba aye labantu abangeke bakwazi ukufinyelela khona. Akunento engithusayo ukuthi if you are under depression, uyahamba wedwa leyo ndlela. Akekho umuntu okwazi ukuhlala nawe, akekho umuntu okwazi ukungena kuwena ngaphakathi, akekho umuntu okwazi ukukutshela ukuthi kulobu umnyama osuhleli kubona sewuyafa, akekho okwazi ukukutshela ukuthi kuzakuba ngcono maqedane bese uyakholwa. Khona inkonzo eyenzakalayo kuEliya, hlele ebumnyameni maqedane ebesethe enkosini, Nkosi, noma sengafa. If you ever reach a stage in your life where uyibuza khona ukuthi ngisaphilelani, if you ever reach a stage in your life mangasane ngithathela amaphilisi kuzophela ngami emva kwemzuzu embalwa if you ever reach a stage in your life, bazohamba bonke baye kwidina, mina ngizothi ngiyagula, maqeda nebese ngivala iminyango, ebese ngithatha ukhiye ngiyakhiya, ebese nguphosa ngaphandle, ebese ngivula amagesi, athi igesi ngiyihogela ngilele ngize ngife. Have you ever reached a stage in your life when you have someone in your life ozoxabana naye, maqedana ngene emotweni, ayishaya imoto aye emgaqweni enethemba lokuthi uzoshayisa omunye maqedana afe? Have you ever been in a relationship nomuntu othi manixabane naye angene etoilet athatha amaphilisi ebese waphuza? Have you ever reached a stage njengomzali ozojaha ingane yakho ungafuni ilengise ngoba ingane yakho isihleli nentambo emotweni? Siyafika isigaba la uthi khona Nkosi ngisaphilelana. Siyafika isigaba la izinto zonakala khona. Siyafika isigaba la umnumzane ebuka ikweletu. Siyafika isigaba la umnumzane ekhathanisa usizi. Siyafika isigaba la ibuka khona isibhamu athi ngizoshaya kube kanye ebese kuyaphela ngami. Hayi uyangithinta uEliya. Angithinta uEliya ngoba ukhuphukele entabeni. Akakhuphukeli ukuyokhuleka, akakhuphukeli ukuyocela, akakhuphukeli ukuyobanxusela, akakhuphukeli ukuyobathandazela. Uyothi Nkosi sengikhathele. You ever reach a stage where you say, sekwanele? Many of us are suicidal. Desibambayo ukuthi samagwala. Many of us have had a thought or two where I could end it all. Bese ngisabela abantu abami. Many of us have had a thought or two ukuthi I can end it all and akekho yokhala. In any case, I can do it so well ukuthi insurance yokhokha, and then you only realize I don't have the strength to do it. If you ever reach rock bottom, you realize sekumnyama. Hathi ucula kahle, hathi mawukhona wena Nkosi, hathi lapho ukhona wena, hathi abukho ubumnyama. Engathi bengathi la kukhona wena nokuxokozela uyakwahlula, la kukhona wena nomsindo athi uyawuthulisa, la kukhona wena athi nokwesaba athi uyasondeza kuwena. Have you ever reached a stage and see yourself as nothing but an embarrassment to your family? With Elijah, I'm not better than my ancestors. Athi ngelinye ilanga uJeremiya athi bekuya kuba kuhle Nkosi ukuba ngizalwanga, bekuya kuba kuhle Nkosi ukuba umama akangincelisanga ngoba ngizeleze. If you ever stayed with abantu who've told you that you are useless, if you ever been married to someone who says if you ever been in a relationship nasemsebenzini la ukhala khona bakutshela ukuthi kahle kahle ungakhohlwa ukuthi wena sasikudabukela sikuqasha. Elijah reaches that stage where he looks at himself and uthi nasemndenini wakithi I don't belong. Thandwa zami, if you ever empilweni lived impilo yehlazo kwawena uzuze nyanye uzibuza ukuthi ngiphilelani. If you ever reach a stage empilweni yakho la uzibona khona engathi yonke into eweni yamosha, that's where Elijah is. Konke ngithintayo uma uElisha Elijah sekhuphukele entabeni wayocela ukufa ebese fika inlozi yenkosi. Mfika uElijah ulele. Elijah mhlawumbe ulele unethemba lokuthi ngihleze ngibakhulekela ungilalela, mhlawumbe unethemba lokuthi uma ngike ngalala ngeke ngisavuka. Yafika inlozi yenkosi yamvusa. Athi vuka. Wathi ngivukeleni, wathi ngithe vuka uhle. Yikho into ebuhlungu njengokushiya ukudla ekseni, ukushiyela isithandwa sakho ubuye entambama ngadliwe. You realize ukuthi umlomo womile and umhlophe akadlanga. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokubuka ukudla ukulangazelele kodwa unawo amandla athi kwabadala mayibusisa ukudla athi Nkosi siyabonga ngoba sinokudla khona bangenakho, athi ngoba sinokudla khona bangenayo appetite, khona bane appetite kodwa ukudla banakho. Ingilosi kaNkulunkulu usukuma mfana wami, sisukuma sekwanele. Khona abanye abantu abathi ubusuku nemini hathi ngidla inyembezi zami, hathi ubusuku nemini ngiyabalisa, hathi Nkosi ngosizo obuthongo ngoba ubuthongo bumanqoba. My God, my God, my God, how many of us are living life as if usilele? We are not in touch. My God, how many of us have prayed for promotions at work? And we've got promotions at work. It's my executives. And in my deadlines every week. And abantwana bethu, the only thing abaphila ngayo are drugs. They take pills every now and again because they cannot take up with pressure. It's too much. Every now and again I need to go pay imali engizoyikhokhela. Wangibona ngihlala emzini omhle kanje. Every now and again I need to go pay imali engizoyikhokhela. Ungayihaleli hayi lifestyle yami awazi ngimaintaina ngani. Moya ongcwele, moya weqiniso. Kunabantu abenza izinto abasafuni ukuzenza. I cannot do this anymore. I can't be sane. Angikwazi ukuhlala ngicabange wena umbona isidakwa. That's the coping mechanism. I can't function. The only thing I can function is when I numb the pain, then I can face today. Uchwala has become a scapegoat. To office in Mengena. He can take a line, then he can perform, and you accolades, and you think this person is performing so wonders. Awazi ukuthi ngaphakathi kadafa. Wawubuka umsebenzi womuntu ohalela athi mntakambayo ngawuthatha sengiyawubonga ngisawufuni. Uyangithinta uElijah uthi imelele athi sukuma, athi sukuma, athi sukuma. Ungikhumbuza intombazane ena 12 years. Athi mayisifile afika uJesu athi Talitha kumi, akathi angatsho nakuwena nakumina athi uhlaleleni. Moya ongcwele. Besimswela ozosivusa kuleli iphupho elibe kuthiwa impilo. Besimswela ozosimemeza. Besimswela ozothi don't die alone. Kunabanye bethu bayasaba ukulala kumnyama. They can only sleep makunelathi. Khona abanye bethu bayasaba ukulala bodwa. Khona abanye bethu who can't sleep. You think they are workaholic. No, they're not workaholic. They're scared of being alone. You think they're workaholic. They're not workaholic. They're scared because they cannot face this life. Uyafika ngelozi kaNkulunkulu thi mfana wami ngithe sukuma, thi mfana wami sukuma uyodla. Athi omunye anginasikhathi sokudla, athi uNkulunkulu ngithe sukuma udla. Moya ongcwele. Wayiqinisile ubhala kahle. Mate, it's not good for a person to be alone. Ayikho into ebuhlungu empilweni than to be alone. Ayikho into ebuhlungu empilweni to be alone even though kukhona oshade naye. To be alone, to be alone on a family, to be alone and everybody else think you are the rich uncle, you are the rich aunt, you are the rich mom, you are the rich dad, and deep down you are dying of poverty. Athi nginakho konke komhlaba but anginakho ukuthula. Moya ongcwele. Naye yena umuntu okwazi ukukuvusa. Yabona mune ephupho elibuhlungu, a nightmare. Ngiyabonga wangivusa manje bengiphupha kabi. Naye yena umuntu onjalo. ukuthi usasuthi abaseyolala. Uyingozi kaNkulunkulu. Sivuka mfana wami. Owesibili. Athoma ukuyasendlile. Akuve kunzima ukusiza umuntu onenkani. Akuve kunzima uthi ulingode, akuve kunzima ukulapha uhlanya olufundile, akuve kunzima ukulapha uhlanya onothayi, akuve kunzima ukulapha umuntu oyitshela ukuthi wazi konke. Singlosi kaNkulunkulu uvuka athi omunye I'm okay. Athi uNkulunkulu you're not okay. Athi omunye I'm okay. Oh my God. How many of us in relationships have been told you should go and seek help? Athi omunye I've seen a psychologist. Athi uNkulunkulu it's not enough. Athi I've seen my priest. Athi uNkulunkulu it's not enough. Athi I've gone to a counselor. Athi uNkulunkulu it's not enough. Athi I've been to the doctors. Athi uNkulunkulu it's not enough. Athi I've been to my boss. Athi uNkulunkulu it's not enough. Athi I've taken holiday. Athi uNkulunkulu it's not enough. My God. Oh, moya ongcwele athi sengikwenze konke kodwa ngihlulekile. Khona isigaba esibalekile empilweni. When you reach a stage where you say Nkosi I've failed. Khona isigaba esisilaphayo mase ngamukela uthi Nkosi ngihlulekile. Moya ongcwele. Bengathi namhlanje thatha isandla sami uNkulunkulu ngoba mina ngiyehluleka. Thatha isandla sami ngoba bazobulalana. Thatha isandla sami ungihlulile umshado wami. Thatha isandla sami yangihlula lempilo ekuthiwa angiphile. One of the greatest things empilweni inkonzo yokwamukela Nkosi ngaphandle kwakho ngingenze lutho.